I don't know if I said it, but this is only 3.6 grams, this AIO. It is super light. This is going to be a tiny, awesome little 1S drone. That's what this runs. It runs off of 1S batteries, and it's just an outstanding little package. It's a lot of great hardware built into a tiny little board. I don't think you're going to get anything better than this. It's going to be pretty cool. So today, the product we're reviewing is the BETAFPV Air 5-in-1 AIO. And this isn't just any ordinary AIO. It packs a lot of hardware in a single board. When you open your package, this is everything that's going to be inside. All right, guys, we got a little board I'm pretty excited about at a whopping 3.6 grams. This is how it all goes. This is the frame it's going to go in. Very tiny little guy, 65, 75 millimeter. I'm not quite sure, but again, that's where your USB plug goes. Now, you really don't need to use any of these pads, but everything's built on this. So that's what 5-in-1 means. It's your ESC, your flight controller, your OSD, your receiver, and your VTX. Now the VTX is a 400 milliwatt VTX, and that's pretty good for this. It is tiny, it is light, and it is a wonderful piece of hardware. And I'm going to tell you why. It comes on board with a 400 milliwatt VTX. That's the IPEX connector. It's a 5.8 VTX. It's analog, of course. And then you're going to notice the red wire. That is your antenna. That's for the Express LRS 2.4 gigahertz independent. It is not a SPI on this. This has its own serial Express LRS 2.4 gigahertz receiver. Another great feature about this, it's already flashed with BlueJay. So you can enable your D-Shot 300, D-Shot 600. This is going to fly really good. It's going to be a wonderful performing little drone. Again, something I think that is really great about this is that it has the G4 processor. Now that's generally reserved for larger freestyle drones or, racing drones, people that really need to be precise and get the fastest and most accurate. Like it's a very fast processor. It is reserved for higher end drones. As always, guys, thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions or comments that you want to leave, please do drop them below. We'll answer right back as soon as possible. As always, I'm Duct Tape FPV, and this is Just Hack It. Thank you.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.